Can you see my screen?
Yes. So
Yes.
क्या पढ़ा है नमन?
It starts with and ends with function.
अच्छा ठीक है, बुक नहीं हो मेरे पास इसकी।
हाँ,
आधे घंटे में हो
एक
जाएगा
मिनट
ना?
रुक. It starts with and ends with function. So I have let's say I have a six string है, वो है number space sir. तो अभी हम एक और एक मिनट. हाँ, तो अभी हम यूज करेंगे स्टार्ट विद फंक्शन, जिसमें हम चेक कर सकते हैं कि ये किससे स्टार्ट होता है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स से हम करते हैं boolean boolean b equal h dot start with. For every function, if you remember, each word starts with a small letter, and the next word will start with a capital letter for each function. Okay, in this chapter. So we in this in the bracket, we can put capital N and close bracket. So it will give an answer in true or false, because it will give answer in boolean. So it will check, does it start with capital N. If it is true, that means it will give the answer true. And since the string inside S is num answer, it will give true. Same I can do is uh, S start with uh, NAM. I can put bracket also. I mean, I can inside the bracket I can put strings also, and it will check whether that the first three strings is the same as these first three strings, and it will give true. And let's say I don't want to check the first letter. I want to check only these two letters. Okay, at the starting. So what I can do is s dot start starts with, in bracket I'll put, I mean in the quotes I'll put am and comma, and I'll put one. Okay, this is one. So it will skip one letter and C. So it will skip the first letter. Okay, it will not check not index position, the first letter, not first index position. So after skipping the first letter, it will check if AM is what it starts with, the rest of the string, and it starts with AM. So this will also be true. Okay. So in this, you have to give one string input, uh, and it will check if it starts with that input, and even if that index position, if I mean if you give the number, it will skip that many letters and see if that uh, it starts with those letters.
Okay.
Okay.
So it will skip the index position 0, no?
Yeah.
And directly start from A.
Yeah. Same. There is ends with function. Okay. And okay, first letter always small, then capital, ends with function. Inside that, again, if I give IR, it has num answer. Okay. If I give IR, it will give true. Okay. S dot ends with IR, it will give me true. But if I give like uh, AN, okay, AN, uh, it numan ends with AN, but numans are the entire string, it ends with IR. So it will give me false. This is the entire string, it will check if it ends with that. That is ends with function. Similar to starts with, just instead of starting, it checks from the end. Then we can, then there is index of function. Index of, again, second word starts with capital O, so index of, okay.
Hmm.
Uh, let's say S equal to num answer. Okay, so if I use this S index of method and inside the bracket I put uh, A, okay, character A, then it will check. It will give me. It will check from the starting and it will count. This is the index position 0, this is index position 1, and it found a A in index position 1. So this will return 1. So if int int I, okay, int I is equal to s dot index of A, then it will start and it will give me the position that is 1 index position. But it won't be able to check the other A. It will only give me the first value. But let's say instead of this, I put in bracket A, comma, 2. Okay. Then it will skip 2 letters. Okay, it will skip the first letter and it will start counting from here, the index position. So this is 0, like the index position will be same. It will start from this index position. So we'll skip the first 2 letters. It will start from here and then this is M, A. It's at index position 3. So this will give me 3.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Let's say I search E. Okay, character E. It will give me nothing. I mean, it will give me something that is -1, but there is no E. There's no inside the string. So if there's nothing of the letter, like there's no letter uh, present in the string that is the same as what you gave, it will give -1. Even if you any character, even numbers are fine. If num answer 1 is there and you search 1, it will give you the index position of 1. But if you search 2, again it will give index position -1 because nothing is there.
For anything, huh?
Yeah, anything if you put in and it's not there inside the string, it will give -1.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Now Okay, remember the string Naman sir. Okay, Naman space sir. Now let's say int I equal to s dot index of. Now I'll give full parts of a word. Let's say MAN. Okay, so this will give me this position from where MAN starts. So our S was equal to Naman sir. I'll write it again. Naman sir space is the space is there. Naman sir, and this index position 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So here it will give me 2 because MAN starts at 2.
So the starting
Then,
letter also.
yeah, the position of the starting letter it will give. But let's say I put MAM. Okay, there is no MAM, so again it will give -1. Again, if similarly, if I put MAN, comma 4. Okay, so it skipped first 4 and went to this. But there is no MAN from this position, there is no MAN. So again it will give me -1.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically this is only there you can put strings and characters to search the index position, and you can also put numbers if you want to skip letters, then search for the index position. Then there's similar method of under similar method which is last index of. Last index of. So let's again we have S equal to Naman space sir. Now S dot last index of, let's say A. So it will start from backwards. From the last it will start. So it will check from here, and it came across this A because it started from the back. And the index position of this A is 0, 1, 2, 3. It will give 3. Here also if you put some letter like E and it's not there, it will give -1.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay. So let's say I put MN. Okay. Then uh, it will start from back and it will find MN. But it will still give the index position of the first letter, that is at 0, 1, 2. So it will give 2.
Okay.
Yes. And
Okay. So
similarly,
um,
yeah,
index of and last index of this MAN, it will always start from 2. No. Suppose you
yeah,
get the tech.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah. And like that, if we want to, let's say, search A, comma, and 6. Okay, so it will skip 6 letters from the back. From the last, it will skip 6 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. character. Space is also like a character. You skip 6 characters, and space is also considered character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will start from M. Okay, and then it will search for A, and it again found it at index position 1. So this will be 1. Basically, it is the same as the index of and last index of are the same. Just last index of starts from the back and index of starts from the front. Okay, now I'll move to trim function.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so S equal to space, space, space. Okay, this is space. Okay, to denote space. Naman. Space, space.
The trim function, right?
Yeah. Now, if I do S1 on the string equal to S dot trim. Okay. S dot trim bracket open bracket close. So now S1 it will be equal to just number. So any spaces at the end or at the start will get removed. But let's say if it was uh, let's say it was space space naman space space sir space space. Okay. So if this we put it in the trim function, we'll get uh, naman space sir. So in between the words, if any spaces are there, it will remain the same.
Okay.
Yes. Hmm. Okay. Now last function, that is comparison of string compared to. Okay, the compare to function. As always, first letter will start with small letter, and two, the second word will start with capital letter. So this compares two strings. Okay, like let's say we have one string that is equal to s equal to naman sir, non space sir, s1 equal to just naman just naman. S2 is the same as s. Okay, now let's say we use the compare to function and we compare s small thing compare to s2. So in both inside s and s2 is the same naman space sir. So it will compare the string and the difference will be 0. Okay, it will give an answer in number and the difference is 0 because both are same.
Which one?
This s dot compare to s2. Comparing these two will give 0.
So
Okay.
nothing same, right? But then,
What?
like Naman sir and S, like it's not like same, right? So
No, not s. I mean this is s variable.
oh, okay, fine.
The exact numbers I put into this.
Oh, okay. So both are same.
Yeah. Like if you type also Naman sir, like uh, open quotes Naman sir, then those
Okay.
letters. So it will give an answer in numbers, and it will give zero if it is exactly same. Okay. Now let's say uh, we mm, okay. Uh, S S1 dot compared to
Sir would be the difference, no?
what?
Only sir would be the difference.
Yeah. But this function it only gives answers in integer. Okay. So it won't give sir. Okay. But the problem here is these have different length. Okay. So the shorter one, which is S1,
Hmm.
okay, it has length of 5. This has length of 9. So what it will do is it will take the shorter one and it will only compare 5 letters of each. Okay. So the first 5 letters, the difference is 0.
Ah, so it would be 4 answer.
Yes.
Hmm.
Wait,
Plus
4 or
minus counted,
negative
right?
4. Wait, it's either 4 or negative 4. Uh, yeah, it is negative 4. Yeah, it is negative
Negative
4.
4. Oh.
Yeah, it will what it is. It will take this one like s1 dot length minus inside the bracket which is s dot length. Length of this is 5.
Hmm.
Length of this is 9. So 5 minus 9 equal negative 4. Okay, but let's say it was s dot compared to s1. Okay, then again it will compare the first 5 and then the rest 4 is there. But
But
not,
now
this
it will
is
be positive 4, right?
9 minus 5, it is 4. Right. Now let's say we have another function, another string S3, which is maman. Maman. So here if we compare uh, S S1 dot compare to S3. Okay. So S1 is Naman and S3 is Maman. Both are same. Okay. So length are same. So that won't affect the answer. So now it will compare the individual letters.
Hmm.
That is, uh, it will first compare the capital N and capital M. So what is the difference between capital N and capital M? It will check the Unicode. If you remember the Unicode.
Ah, yes.
Yes. So Unicode of capital N. I don't remember what something it will be. Uh, let
Okay, capital A to Z, it is 65 to 90. And small a to Z is 97 to 122. So the capital meaning will be the 17th one, I guess. So 17 digit meaning 65 plus 17. 82 or something, I guess.
Okay.
Uh,
Let's say it's 82. Okay. Even if it's not 82, let's say capital N is 82.
no, M is
Then
82 and
oh,
P will be
okay.
83.
Eh? But okay, whatever is the answer, we say capital N is 82
Okay.
and capital M is 83 because it comes later. No, oh no, sorry, capital M comes later.
Yeah, that's what M comes first, no?
Yeah, M comes later. So this is 82 and this is 80, 81. M is 81, N is 82. Okay, so we will compare these. So since S1 is before 82 minus 81. Okay, so answer is 1. Then it will compare the second 0 because same letter. Third 0. Fourth it will compare 0. Last also 0. So only 1. This will give 1. Let's say it was mum. Okay, and this was naman only. So this between capital N and capital M difference is 1. N is greater by 1. And small n and small m difference is 1 because small n is greater by capital small m by 1. So 82 by 81 1 and that small n minus small m also equal to 1. So the answer will come as 2. So basically each individual letter it will check and it will give the answer of the difference. The difference between each letter. Okay, these are the same length. Now let's say uh, S3 dot uh, compare to S. Okay. Now S3 is small, it is only 5 letters, and S is 9 letters. So it will just check the first 5 letters first. Okay, so it is mumum, S3 is mumum, and S is naman, sir. So first 5 letters is naman. So
Mm.
here difference is 1. Okay, so 1 because 82 minus 81 1. Then this A is same. This small m is same. A same. Then small n and small m.
That is
Oh,
this is M, right?
oh wait. First, I made a mistake. The small, first it will compare the first letters, no. But
Oh,
since you put S3 first, okay, since S3 is first, it will take the index position of M, capital M first. So it will be 81 minus 82. It will be
totally minus 1.
negative, yeah, negative 1. So same, it will compare small a, small a, small m, small m, small a, small a. Then this is n. Okay, this is small n. This is small m. Again, the difference will be negative 1.
Yes.
Yeah, small m minus small n, difference equal to negative 1. Now, then here 4 more letters are there, but here only these many letters are there. So now the rest letters, which is 4, that will be the rest of the answer. But we have to check if it is minus 4 or plus 4.
Mm.
So first we wrote S3. So that is 5 letters, and uh, this
Then it will be
S is
minus.
9 letters. So it will be minus 4.
Yes. So it will be totally minus 6, right?
4 minus 1 minus 1. Minus 6.
Oh.
Yeah. So like this only it will compare and give the values. You can give how many ever big strings and all, and it will just give the values. That's it. Chapter over.
That's all.
Yeah. Now from the entire chapter, if both of you have any doubts, you can ask.
No, sir.
Naman,
Ah,
what type of programs will come?
okay. Let me see. So programs from string manipulation can be very complex. First, output-based questions, many.
Hmm.
Okay, output-based questions and maybe that finding errors in like you have to correct the code, whatever code they give. That kind of questions many can come from anywhere in the chapter. Now they can give like input first name, last name, and join the first and last name and give the entire name. Uh, they can uh, they can take ask that give they can give two letters and uh, take two letters from the user and check which is smaller.
Hmm.
Check check whether a character by the user is smaller case, uppercase, or a digit. Check whether this uh, name is part of the full name or this word is part of a sentence or take a sentence and print each and every word. Take a sentence, count the numbers of some letter, like count the numbers of B in a sentence. Uh, take a sentence and print a or take a word and take a sentence and print every character in a different line. These are the simpler types of program. Now, even more complex programs can come, like checking if a word is palindrome, checking if like taking a word and making pig Latin of that word, uh, or similar.
Hey, that pig Latin, like, can you like explain, huh? Like, how do you like type?
Yeah. First, if they tell,
uh, like to check if a word is some kind of word, they'll provide a definition of that word. Okay, like what is the meaning of pig Latin and all. And more important, let's say you have you have to input. Wait a minute. 1 minute.
yes, let's say they tell you to input a word. Okay,
Mm.
to take a word from a user, that time it's a string s equal to s sc dot next, and they tell you to input a sentence, then string s equal to sc dot next line. This is for sentence, okay, and this is for word. So don't write the word one for sentence and sentence one for word.
Mm.
That if you do that, they'll cut marks. So input, if it's input a word, you have to write this. If it's input a sentence, you have to write this.
Okay.
Yes. I want you to write the program for Pig Latin. No.
Mm.
Okay. Let me see. I also don't know how to write LC.
Or then show off in lab or something.
Yeah, that I can do.
Fine.
Yeah. If you want like me to write some program that I'll do in lab or some other class maybe. For today, I think this much is fine.
Okay, Naman sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Any more doubts on the entire chapter?
No, sir.
And the previous chapters also fine.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Bye, students.
Bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye.